It starts with a single breath. You're cleaning out a garden shed. Invisible particles rise into the air. You inhale them without thinking. And in that moment, millions of hantavirus particles enter your lungs. The countdown has begun. The virus particles are spherical, roughly 80 to 120 nanometers across. 1,000 times smaller than a human hair. They lock onto receptors on your blood vessel cells. The virus tricks the cell into swallowing it whole. Once inside, it hijacks your cell's machinery. Your cell is now a virus factory. For the first 1 to 5 days, you feel nothing. The virus spreads silently through your bloodstream, seeding itself in your lungs, kidneys, and spleen. It suppresses your early warning system. While you go about your life, the virus is building an army inside your blood vessels. Between 5 days and 2 weeks after exposure, you develop what feels like a bad flu. Fever above 38 degrees. Severe muscle aches in your thighs, hips, and back. Crushing fatigue. Most doctors would diagnose this as influenza. You would have no idea that inside your lungs, a catastrophe is building. Your immune system finally detects the invasion and overreacts with devastating force. Billions of T cells flood into your lungs. They release a torrent of cytokines. This is a cytokine storm. The chemical signals attack the seals between your blood vessel cells. Those seals begin to fail. Plasma begins leaking directly into the air sacs of your lungs. Your lungs are filling with fluid. Each breath becomes a struggle. You feel like you're breathing through a wet cloth that gets heavier with every inhale. Your oxygen saturation drops from 98% to 90, then 80, then 70. Your lips turn blue. You are drowning in fluid produced by your own body. As your lungs fail, the disaster cascades to your heart. Your heart muscle weakens. Blood pressure drops to shock levels. Your kidneys shut down. Your brain, starved of oxygen, begins to dim. In 36% of cases, this cascade is irreversible. Death occurs within 24 to 48 hours. There is no drug that stops it. No antiviral. Treatment is entirely supportive, oxygen, fluids, and hope. Between the moment you breathe in the virus and the moment your lungs begin to flood, there is a window of 2 weeks where you feel almost nothing. That is the cruelty of hantavirus. Share this with someone who needs to know. Subscribe. Because understanding how a virus kills you might be the only thing that saves you.